Hello class. I hope that you all are doing well in this COVID-19 situation. I, Richa Parekh, welcomes you to the second unit of Social Science. The name of the chapter is What is Around Us. The Sun too has a family which is known as solar family, and our Earth is one of the members of the solar family. The most important thing is the Earth is the only planet which has a suitable water, air, temperature to sustain the living beings. At the time of the origin of an Earth, it was in the form of a fireball, and slowly it started to cool down and the Earth got transformed into liquid and further into solid form. During this process, the elements which got transformed into solid were known as lithosphere, and the element which got transferred into liquid was known as hydrosphere. Some of the elements which also got transformed into gases came to be known as atmosphere. Above all, the living world which developed due to water and air is called biosphere. In this way, the four sphere on the earth got into existence. Dear students, today we are going to see what is lithosphere. The sphere on which we live is considered as lithosphere. Lithos means rocks and sphere means layer. The hard forms of land which we find on earth is considered as lithosphere. The upper layer of the earth, which is made up of soil and soil materials like rocks. 29% of the earth is covered with lithosphere, and the layer is almost 64 kilometers to 100 kilometers thick. The interior and the exterior does not have the similar identical features. That means the earth, the level of the soil, both on the upper and the inner layer of the earth is not similar. Most of the substances of lithosphere is made up of soil and rocks. Students, which we see like mountains, plains, plateaus, valleys, these are the different landforms of lithosphere. The temperature which we move from exterior to the center of the earth and the molten rocks which is present in the interior of the earth is called magma. There are many different gases in the interior of the earth which rises up with the pressure and the heat. But the pressure of the rocks on the surface of the earth is equally strong, and thus the balance between the rocks and the gases which are present in the interior gets maintained. So the earth crust does not break. But when the balance between the two is not maintained and the crust breaks, volcano erupts. Dear students, let's have the introduction of hydrosphere. What is hydrosphere? The amount of water which we see on earth is considered as hydrosphere. It is the liquid component of earth. It includes ocean, seas, lakes, ponds, stream, etc. Hydrosphere covers 71% of the earth's surface. The water bodies in hydrosphere carries huge amount of water is considered as oceans. These oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. They are connected to each other. The water bodies does not close to the land are known as seas, bays, straits, gulfs, etc. Valleys have the depth of 10 to 11 kilometers at the bottom. Dear students, we can also find the valuable chemicals, minerals, salt, fishes, etc. around the seas. As we have the living organisms on land, we have also the same living organisms inside the land. They are known as aquatic life. The tremendous forces of the waves and tides and currents of the ocean are potential sources for generating electricity, and it can also be used as waterways. Thus, today we saw the uses of lithosphere and hydrosphere, that how those spheres are useful for the existence of human life. In the very next class, we will be looking forward for atmosphere and biosphere. As a part of your homework, you have to write the short answers in your fair book. Till then, stay safe and stay at your home. Thank you.